Good day. In today's video, we're going to discuss scaling your business and how CVQuest can assist. With recruitment, I'm sure everyone can agree that handling hundreds of resumes and coordinating interviews is overwhelming. What you need is a process that can sort the noise and help you find the right people faster. Recruiting can drain valuable time that could be spent on more critical tasks. With manual processes, it's easy to get stuck in the weeds sometimes. Recruitment can be quite time-consuming. Between manual screening and tracking applicants, it takes up quite a bit of precious time. What you need is a more efficient way to manage everything without losing focus on your core business. Growing your team quickly without sacrificing quality can be quite hard. As your business expands, your recruitment needs to be able to keep up. With CVQuest, we eliminate these problems with a smarter, more streamlined hiring process. Our platform's powerful tools automate time-consuming tasks, ensuring you only focus on the best fit candidates. So stop letting recruitment hold you back. Join CVQuest today and take your hiring process to the next level. As we wrap up this video, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content.